So the wrap's been on there for probably 3 or 4 years. I've only had it on there for about a year, and the wrap hasn't come off. So it's specifically designed for calipers. It's to withstand the heat. Can I withstand it at the track? That's debatable. I've never taken this car to the track with the caliper wrap on, but I will explain to you why I never ever posted a video of the install. And it really comes down to, I guess if you guys remember me peeing on that motorcycle, allegedly.
Are you indicating you did in fact pee on somebody else's motorcycle?
Absolutely not.
Okay. So sir, it looks like there's additional allegations beyond the tampering of the motorcycle that are also indicating intimidating, harassing behavior, and they're alleging that occurred on November 25th. Sir, are you denying that allegation as well?
Yes, I am. So they evicted my ESA dog, and there's no harassment. I've been asking them to provide proof that my dog bit somebody, which they can't provide because it never happened.
Okay.
I have a Boston Terrier. They don't bite people.
Counselor, do you have your witnesses at this point?
I don't remember that at all. That was all they could prove. I do remember hearing what happened, allegedly. Somehow that guy, or the neighbors that were complaining about someone's dog being off the leash playing ball, I don't know what happened, but allegedly his door got kicked in. So when his door got kicked in, allegedly that's what happened. I don't know who did it, but I guess it corresponded with me peeing on the motorcycle at that exact same time, so they assumed it was me. So even though they have no evidence of anything of that nature, I would never kick someone's door in, allegedly. That's why I was in a rush to put these calipers on, because I had to dip out of Phoenix, and I kind of just left town. Because instead of trying to argue my case in this Karen society we live in, even the algorithm on this, you know, I don't want to pick it up. That's why I'm finally kind of even talking about it. One of my favorite YouTubers, I'm not even going to say his name, but he's a world champion kickboxer. So he's all about just keeping it real with a 0 ducks given. And he doesn't care. So his YouTube channel finally got demonetized. World champion kickboxer. He moved to Romania a while ago. But I just love his attitude. His attitude is 0 ducks given. And people like that don't really exist anymore. Everyone's basically neutered. You really can't say what you want because you're afraid of these other people getting high on drama and canceling you out. He doesn't give a crap. And what's funny is when you actually care, these creatures actually don't respect you. And when you don't care and they don't get what they want from you, then they just cancel you. So it's just a society we live in right now. I'll put his picture up there. If you guys don't know who he is, well, you can't go check out any of his content. They took it down on YouTube, Instagram, every single channel he has, but his personality is one of my faves. I'm not saying it reminds me of myself, but it kind of is. Either you hate me or you love me, and that's how he is. So anyways, a little off topic, but it kind of sucks that I was rushed and I wasn't able to video putting these on, because when I left Phoenix, I just rushed and put these on because I had to be out of that high-rise I was living in within 3 days. So they gave me 3 days to basically pack up and get out of there. So I wasn't going to sit and take time, unfortunately, to film the entire process, which I really wanted to do because the big brake kit, it did make a big difference. I mean, you just have more, your brakes are able to just brake harder and longer. I mean, if you really need to use your OEM regular ones like I had, the reason I never replaced them, I was waiting for my rotors to get warped, which I never did. So I was like, well I'm not going to put on new parts if the parts I recently just put on aren't bad yet. So I was waiting for them to wear out, but I didn't have any storage for this, so I just threw them all in the trash, the entire, my old setup, which is just OEM 2005 non-Brembo brakes, which were decent because the Brembo ones, there's that whole suing that went back and forth. So Infiniti didn't use Brembo anymore, and they developed their own, which were similar to Brembos, but they weren't as good. They were much better than with the non-Brembos from 03, 04, the 05 stock ones were actually pretty decent. So See what you guys think. If you guys think that's rice, or you think that's real nice, I would say it's real nice. So let me know what you guys think on the wrap on the calipers, and that police algorithm right there, dude. They're already on their way. See ya.